Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I've got a really special 69 Camaro here, and you gotta pay attention. There's a lot to talk about. It has under the hood a 375 horse with aluminum heads. It's believed they have 16,000 actual miles. Certain aspects of it have been certified by Jerry MacNeish, the Camaro expert. So I'll get into all those details, but I'll tell you what, this is a fantastic car with some really great features and a great story to tell. So you're gonna wanna stick around. When we're done, you can go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the whole story, get all the specs, the price of this car, and a few hundred other collector cars. They're all on our website for sale, volocars.com. Usually have over 100 photos of each car, top to bottom. But right now, why don't you join me? We'll go for a spin in a wicked 69 Camaro. The title, I got it from Arizona. It says actual miles, and it listed it about 14,000. That was a few years ago. It has 16,000 and change on there now. So the title says it's actual. It has the original windshield in it, which is really nice and clear. That verifies or supports original miles. It's an original white interior. The Jerry MacNeish report, Jerry says this is an original interior in excellent condition. So in my opinion, that would also support low miles. One other item that really would make it very believable, this has a special ordered Copo 456 Posi rear end in it. That's a race rear end. It's probably got 16,000 miles, might have been quarter mile at a time. In the MacNeish report, he says that is the original rear end to the car. The codes and dates line up perfectly. He looked at the stamps. It's not re-stamped. So you got a 456 gear in there. I don't think someone was driving this on vacation and racking up mileage. Under the hood is a 396, 375 horse with aluminum heads on it. Jerry MacNeish verified this is a real SS 396. Has the original trim tag. It's a factory hugger orange white interior car. It was born a 4-speed, so that much we all know is true. The motor that's in there is re-stamped. Only an expert like him would know it was re-stamped. They got the markings and everything. They did a really good job. So it cannot be proven or disproven if it's the original 375 horse car or not. But there again, I doubt someone would order a 3¼ horse car with a 456 special ordered rear end. So in my opinion, I believe it was born a 375 horse car originally. The motor that is in there is a restamp. Beautiful, clean metal. I believe it's original metal. I was up in the quarter panels. I couldn't see any seams or splices. Really straight, fits nice. It's an older paint job that shows fantastic. I'm sure if you looked for a flaw, you'd probably find something, but overall it is gorgeous. Never had a vinyl top. It's got spoilers, got the hockey stick stripe, the exterior trim package, which includes this stuff here and the rain gutters. The stripe is done correctly. Rally wheels, BF Goodrich tires look new. So all the glass is real nice and clear. The weather strips and window fuzzies are nice. The trim is all real nice. All the chrome louvers there are good. Look how nice and square the hood fits. Everything up here is real nice. It's a pretty interesting car. And it's priced very fairly. I'm not pricing it like it is a numbers match L89 car. It's priced very fair. So under the hood, it appears stock. It looks like an original restoration. It has a stock GM aluminum intake, the stock GM aluminum heads, valve covers, air cleaner, deep groove pulleys. It has the 4-core radiator with the gooseneck, the GM hoses and clamps, and everything has got nice, clean, smooth finishes. The proper looking fuel line, Holley carb. Someone has made some upgrades. This was done recently. It has an MSD ignition, long tube coated headers, and it has an aluminum water pump. So someone did add some things to it to make it a little more practical. The interior, again, is in excellent condition. It's white. It has bumper guards. The SS was painted black. Inside the trunk compartment is really clean metal, spatter painted. It's got the rubber mat, got a spare, got a jack. Under here is nice and clean. The weather strip has some tattering on it. It might be the original trunk weather strip. So when I say the interior is excellent, it's excellent for a white interior from 1969, but there's a little nick on the edge, and it shows slight patina, but overall really nice. The dash area is beautiful. All the little bit of chrome trim around all the bezels and that is shiny. The heater control panel's mint. Original AM radio, nothing's cut or broken. Has a Tilt Deluxe wood grain steering wheel. And it does have the complete factory gauge package. The tachometer, gauges in the console. It even has a clock. I guess we'll start it up for you. Underneath's real clean. Jerry MacNeish also said in his report it has clean, original, rust-free floors. There have been some upgrades underneath too. It has subframe connectors, high torque starter, but all the suspension's been rebuilt. The ball joints, the components look like they're all been replaced. Disc brakes in front. Nice exhaust, nice fuel tank. We have pictures on our website. You can go underneath and check it all out. The transmission is an upgraded auto gear trans. It's an upgrade to the Muncie. It has M22 gears in it, so it is not the original trans. Jerry MacNeish did say this was born a 4-speed car, and it's got a replacement trans that's an M22. And again, the rear end, the 456, he said in his report, it's original to the car. That's a rare special ordered Copo rear end. Copo is Central Office Production Order. So a pretty special car. So again, I think this car has a lot going for it. I think we're very conservative with the price. I know there are some unknowns. If this was a genuine number matched L89 with absolute certified 16,000 miles, and it'd be well into the 6 figures. We're nowhere near that. So someone's going to get a really special car. They're really neat history here. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact us. We'll help answer any questions you have. Plenty of ways on there to contact us, and we'll help you with the shipping, the financing. So visit volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is the best way to see these exciting cars as we get them in. I appreciate everyone who has been watching, and do stay tuned. Got a lot more to come.